Hello everyone, I'm your hummingbird. Today I've come up with another educational video to gain weight in a healthy manner. While Weight Watchers around the world are struggling to shed few kilos, it's not an easy task for weight gainers. It's a challenge. First I'll start with breaking the body types into three segregation. One is mesomorphs, whose body type is athletics, and endomorphs, who are obese, and ectomorphs, who are thin. Here, ectomorphs are the one who are generally suffering to gain weight. Underweight people should know in which category they fall for, whether they have any genetic disorder or it is hereditary, or they have any intestinal problems, or if they have high metabolism rate. First, I'll tell you which are all the food which suppresses the appetite. Basically, if you consume alcohol or caffeine in the form of coffee, if you are taking it, definitely it will suppress your appetite and also urge to eat. Next is high calorie food. If you are consuming chocolates, desserts and sweets, it is going to gradually increase the fat content, not the muscle mass. So the 5 food which aid in weight gain are banana. Banana should be having brown spots or brown patches so that it has tumor necrosis, a substance which is going to eliminate the abnormal cells, and also it boosts the immunity and lower the risk of cancer. Second item is raisins. Raisins has antioxidants and which are going to eliminate the toxins and the waste products from your body and which increases the metabolism of your body. Third item is milk. Milk is basically rich in calcium, phosphorus, vitamins. It will definitely help you in maintaining a healthy weight. Fourth one is almond. Almond is loaded with proteins, fibers, healthy fats and also antioxidants, which is going to lower the risk of cholesterol and also blood sugar levels. Fifth item is fig. Fig is basically loaded with natural sugar, minerals and dietary fibers, which is definitely going to aid you in weight gain. There are two ways you can have all these items. If you have a juicer, you can mix all these things and have it in the form of a smoothie. If not, you can overnight soak raisins, almonds and fig in the milk and you can have all together in the morning alongside banana. Measurement would be 2 bananas, 5 almonds, a cup of milk, 5 to 10 raisins and 1 fig. All these items you should have it in the morning. So during your other meals, you got to include yogurt or curd, eggs, sprouts and carbohydrate-rich food, so that overall your diet will be balanced. Gaining weight in a fast manner would definitely increase the risk on our organs, so following this method, you will increase the weight steadily. Hopefully these tips are going to aid you in gaining weight. If you have liked the video, please do like, share and subscribe.